Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn three very important sentences for introducing yourself in English. Don't worry, it's super easy. Let's get started.
So our goal is simple. Learn how to introduce yourself. And believe me, it really is very easy. Are you ready?
Okay, let's start with sentence number 1. This is how you tell someone your name. It's the very first thing you need to know for any introduction. And here it is. My name is John. Pretty simple, right? Now, a little tip for pronunciation. Listen to the word is. It sounds like it has a Z at the end. My name is John. This is a great polite way to tell someone your name. So all you have to do is change the name John to your name. For instance, if your name is Maria, you'd say, my name is Maria. Now, if you want to sound a little more natural, you can say, my name's Maria. Go ahead and try saying it with your name.
Okay, great. Now it's time to practice. I'll say it, and then you say it. Repeat after me.
Okay, let's try it. I'll leave a space for you to speak. My name is John. Good. Let's do it again. My name is John. Perfect. One last time. My name is John. Fantastic! So now you can tell someone your name. But what about them? You need to ask for their name, right? Well, that's what sentence number 2 is all about. Here's the question you need. What is your name? Now, just like before, there's a faster way to say this that you'll hear all the time. We take what is and we make it what's. So it becomes, what's your name? It just sounds a little more relaxed. And this is a really important question, you know? When you ask someone their name, it shows you want to get to know them. It turns a simple introduction into a real conversation. All right, you know what time it is. Let's practice. Just repeat what I say. Okay, ready? I'll leave a pause for you. What is your name? Nice. Again, what is your name? Great. One more time for good luck. What is your name? You've got it. Okay, on to our third and final sentence. This one is all about being warm and friendly. So you've said your name, you've asked for their name. What comes next? This is the perfect thing to say. And here it is. Nice to meet you. It's a lovely, common thing to say. Here's another little pronunciation tip for you. A lot of the time, you'll hear people say meet you instead of meet you. The T and the Y sounds blend together. Nice to meet you. You say this only when you meet someone for the first time. And it's just, well, it's a really friendly thing to say. It makes the other person feel good and shows that you're happy to meet them. Okay, last practice round for today. Are you ready? Repeat after me. Here we go. Nice to meet you. Great sound. Again, nice to meet you. Wonderful. Last one. Nice to meet you. Fantastic job. All right, you've learned the 3 key sentences. Now for the fun part. Let's put them all together and have a little conversation. Okay, here's how this will work. I will speak first, you just listen to me. Then it will be your turn to speak. Ready to try?
Okay, I'll start. What's your name? Okay, your turn now. Answer my question. Say, my name is, and then say your name. I'll wait for you.
Great! It's so nice to meet you. And just like that, you've had a conversation in English. See? It was easy.
So, let's just quickly remember our 3 sentences. My name is, to tell your name. What is your name, to ask for theirs. And nice to meet you, to be friendly. That's all you need to get started. You did such a good job today, really. The most important thing now is to practice, practice, practice. So try to use these sentences every day if you can. Thanks for joining me, and keep up the great work. Bye for now.